Okay, where we left off here, I was machining this here piece here to be for the handles and be for the guide bars. And what I want to do now is make the bushings for this. I'm making out steel here, and I got to do a little bit of cutting off here a little bit, and then I'm going to start boring that with an end mill, a 5/8 inch end mill, to get that the whole board through that steel there. Make some bushings. Bushings will go down inside here, and this will be two separate pieces later on. Alrighty, let's get to it. I got it partially bored here already as it is. Got to finish on this side, then turn it around and do the other side. Okay, so the internal bore is done on the preliminary here. What I need to do now is some exterior diameter machining here to get it to fit into the hole on the bracket bar. But looks like the lathe is working really good now with the new circuit board I made for it, which is up there. And that's the power supply and the circuit board that gives me my torque control. My version of a torque control just puts a little bit of voltage across the motor here, an increase in voltage whenever there's a load from the motor. And this light's an indicator. I've been showing that light indicating that there's a call for more voltage for the motor, and when that light comes on, it sends a bit more voltage to the motor to overcome the load. And I have about 4 speeds on here: low, medium high, and high. And it's working good, and that's the reason why I haven't been doing this project, because I've been working on getting my lathe back working again. And this is just a temporary fix. This is it's just a small temporary motor control. Right now I'm actually working on the background here on a pulse width modulation type motor control later on here, and I'll be putting a video series of that later on too. But right now this is just will suffice for what I need right now to keep my lathe running and to keep on working on my machining projects. Okay, back to machining now. Wow, about 2 thousandths to go. 2 to 3 thousandths to go. And faster speed, please. Very, very close. Some polishing on it probably now. Now, during the boring bar process on my mill, when I was doing this here from top down, this side here is just a little bit tighter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark this for this side here, and then when I machine this side now, this is going to be dedicated for this side. And I'll put those marks on there as reference marks, and then when I go to assemble it, I will know which one goes where to take care of that. Here's a good indication that it's bored properly. If I put my finger inside here and try to cover that hole up as much as possible, and then cover this here hole up, I get a nice pop. That's a good indication that I got good bore is what's done. Okay, enough of playing around. Reference mark. I'll just reference mark this way. And put a reference here. Okay, that'll work. I need to go 1.25 inches. That's one with the X. This one right here. Oh yeah, looks real good. I like that. Alrighty. There's the X for that side. That side. Of course, these will get cut to length. They'll get cut to length eventually, because this will get cut off across here, and they get cut off across here, and then that will be 1/2 would be for the bracket holder. These are brackets for the guide bars. Okay, that's all I'm doing for tonight, for this evening. That's the bushings made using my lathe that I now have working again. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.